If you would like to receive all of my notifications, click the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, you guys, I am coming back with another wig review. Everything on the back of this box is the company information. I bought this wig off Amazon, so this video is not sponsored. This hair came nicely packaged. It did not have any weird smells. So I got my hair braided by my mom and I went ahead and gelled down my edges. It came with the wig cap, and to my surprise, it was close to my scalp color. So I put the cap on my head and I pulled it all the way down. Then I added some got-to-be glue to my edges and laid the cap back down. I blow dried my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I cut the cap as best as I could with these big scissors. My smaller scissors were dull, so don't roast me too much in the comments. Oh, and you want to cut the way your hairline is, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut the lace off the wig. Then I placed the wig on my head and I secured it with the clips. Then I went ahead and brushed my baby hairs out of the way and secured them with the little clips. Then I took more got-to-be glue and I added to the cap line so that I can lay down my lace frontal. Then I blow dried my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as I'm trying to comb my hair and attempt to lay down my baby hairs for the first time ever, I mistakenly pulled my lace too much and it came up because it was not completely dry. So I added some more got-to-be glue, I laid it back down and waited 1 hour this time. Now this is the mistake I made, because now my baby hairs are gelled down as well, and I'm trying my best to comb them up without combing up my lace again. Y'all, this hair is super soft and easy to comb, by the way. But the hair is also so flat, and no matter how much I tried to part it or comb it, the hair just fell back into place. Straightening my hair didn't work, so here's a little tip. If you want straight hair, then buy a straight hair wig, if that makes any sense. Okay, so nothing is working, so I'm just gonna put a ponytail on the top of my head and add a little bit of oil to get rid of that little flaky part. I don't know how to lay baby hairs at this point. I'm so tired. So I just comb them down the sides and cover the lace with the baby hairs that way. I know I would get better with practice one day, and I would be able to put on my lace frontal and be flawless at it. But for now, please give me a thumbs up for effort, like and subscribe for more videos.